Hi friends, this is Pritam here from TechToUse, and in this video I am going to show you that how to get one of the awesome features of Android P on any Android phone running Lollipop to Oreo. So without further delay, let's get started.
Turning this on, going thing.
Actually, it's about Google Markup app, which is a screenshot editor. Installation process is very simple. Just go to the link given in the description down below and install the app by enabling installation of unknown sources from settings. When you will take a screenshot, the screenshot appears under the notification bar. If your phone is running on developer version of Android P, then here you will see an option for editing the screenshot. But for other Android versions like Oreo, Nougat, Lollipop, you have to tap on share icon and then select on markup. So this is the screenshot editor app. The primary purpose of this app for Android P is to edit screenshot. But this will work with any photos. Just open any picture, click on share and select markup. With this editor, you can crop the picture or any screenshot. Write or draw something. Two brushes is given, one for thin lines and another one for thick transparent lines. There are redo and undo buttons too. And finally, click on tick for saving the pictures. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like button and share this video. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. This will notify you whenever my new video goes up on my channel. So that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.